We're going to have a look now at source and destination arrows. Now, you may have occasions in your AutoCAD electrical drawings where you need to place a source arrow and a destination arrow to wires on the same drawing, or perhaps separate drawings where the wire goes off of one circuit and joins another circuit, for example. Now, we're still in section 10, so we've still got the Demo 10 project open, and we are still in the Demo 02 drawing. Now, what I've got here are two wires with separate ends. So you'll see here, there's one wire there, and I've extended the 400 wire there. We're going to place a source arrow on the end of this wire here. And then in the next video, we'll look at placing a destination arrow, and we'll link the two together. What we do is we go to the schematic tab on the ribbon, and we go to Insert Wires, Wire Numbers, and on this flyout here, you've got the option to select a source arrow. So this inserts a wire source signal arrow and transfers its wire number to the destination wire networks. So if I click source arrow there and select the wire end for the source arrow here, the dialog box comes up. Now you can put in a code and a description. So for example, there's an input-output rack code there, a default one that's been used previously. I'm going to put a code in there of source 001. Now I could put a description in there if I wanted to as well. You can view signal codes used so far in the drawing, the project, or you can search for one to daisy chain that source code to, or you can pick an entity on the destination network if you need to. I'm not going to worry about any of that. What I am going to worry about is my signal style. So I'm going to go for style 2 there with the little box and the little triangular arrow. So when I click on OK now, it'll ask me, do I want to insert a matching destination arrow now? I'm actually going to say no. So it's picked up P1L003. Now the reason it's picked that number is this wire here comes off of the vertical riser there and goes out to there. So we've got a signal coming from the three-phase motor, coming up the three-phase bus here and going into there. And as you can see, we've got question mark, question mark. Now I can edit the attributes of this signal arrow. So if I click on it, right click, I can edit the attributes here. So if I go list edit, they all come up like so. And you can see that my xref, question mark, is what is showing on the drawing at the moment. So if I cancel that, that little bit in there is basically telling me that we're not xrefing to another drawing. And no, we're not. Not in this case. We've placed our source arrow for the signal. What we need to do in the next video now is place our destination arrow for the same signal. We'll move to the next video now and look at destination arrows.